Welcome to Homework Lib.
Which of the following is equal to negative 2 and 1/4 to the third power? Option A, negative 8 and 1 over 64. Option B, negative 11 and 25 over 64. Option C, negative 6 and 3/4. Option D, negative 2 and 3/12. Option E, negative 27 over 12. Let's start this question by writing our fraction negative 2 and 1/4 as a top-heavy or improper fraction. Let's start by taking our fraction 2 1/4, ignoring the negative for a second, and visualising it as 2 whole shapes and 1/4. If we split our 2 whole shapes into quarters, we would have 4 quarters in each one plus our 1/4 left over. So 2 1/4 is equivalent to 9 over 4. So negative 2 1/4 is equivalent to negative 9 over 4. So finding the third power of negative 2 1/4 is equal to finding the third power of negative 9 over 4. We can recall that finding the third power of a value x is equivalent to working out x times x times x. So for negative 9 over 4 to the third power, we can work out negative 9 over 4 times negative 9 over 4 times negative 9 over 4. Note that since the negative was also part of the number taken to the third power, then it appears 3 times as well. This line is equivalent to negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9 over 4 times 4 times 4. Since when we multiply fractions, we can multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. It's important that we put the negatives only on the numerator or only on the denominator, but not both. To start evaluating our numerator, we multiply negative 9 by negative 9, which is 81. Notice that we have a positive value here, since 2 negatives multiplied will always give a positive value. Next, we work out 81 times negative 9. Giving us negative 729. Next, we work out 4 times 4 on the denominator, giving us 16, and then we multiply this by 4, which is 64. So our answer then is negative 729 over 64. And now we put our answer into a mixed number form, since that is the form given in the question and in the answer options. To do this, we need to work out how many times 64 goes into negative 729. Our calculation in this case would be negative 729 divided by 64, which we can do without a calculator using a long division method. We can work out 729 divided by 64 and then restore the negative into our answer at the end. Using the division method, we can see that there is a whole number answer of 11 and a remainder of 25. So for our mixed number answer to negative 729 over 64, we can start by restoring our negative. The 11 is the whole number answer. The remainder of 25 will be the numerator of our fraction, and we put 64 as our denominator since it's the number we divided by and the number of parts in our fraction. So our answer then is the one given in option B, negative 11 and 25 over 64.